plastics on the bed of my truck, and on the front I'll be using a heat gun that I picked up from Harbor Freight for about $10 with a coupon. But all it takes is a little bit of heat from the heat gun, and it basically pulls the oils from the bottom of the plastic up to the top and making it look as good as new. This is a lengthy project, but it was totally worth it, as you'll see. Most cars don't have as much plastic as the back of this truck, so it'll take even less time, so you can be as detailed as possible. Heating the plastic brings the oils from the bottom, since it's more of a polyurethane type of plastic, as is the case with most detailed plastics on different vehicles. In this video, you'll see just how easy it is. I'm gonna skip forward so you don't get bored by the whole process. It took me about 3 hours total. Enjoy the video. Hope you learned something from it. This is about where I hit a snag. I accidentally somehow broke the switch on my heat gun. I don't know if I just pressed it funny, but it was useless at that point. I tried to take it out and tried to break it apart to see if I can get it corrected, but it was no use. So I ended up buying a new one from Lowe's. As you can see here, I have the same type of plastic in the front as I did in the back, and both of them were horribly sun bleached. But doing this still works. It didn't work as well on my door handles. I believe that's a different type of rubber. It's probably more rubber than plastic, but it's a noticeable difference in the end. I did end up switching to a more powerful heat gun mid-video. You'll see that later. But as you can see, I had to get really close and really superheat the plastic. But if you're not careful, you can easily melt it. And you got to be extra careful not to touch it, especially when you're trying to get into those cracks and crevices where it's a little bit harder to reach. Here are the final results of my project. It took about 3 hours with the heat gun total, but as you can see, it was totally worth it. If you guys want to see more, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments as well. Thanks for watching and hope to see you guys soon.
Like a Hellcat.